Hello everyone. Today in this video we'll solve these expressions, and here it is 0.25 and powered by x minus 1, that is equal to 32, and we'll solve this expression for the value of x. So friend, please give thumbs up to the video and do not forget to subscribe my channel. So we have 0.25. Now if we'll cancel the point, so it will be over by 1 and 2 zeros. So here 2 zeros, and it is powered by x minus 1, that is equal to 32. So now we'll cancel it by 25. So 25 ones are 25, and here it is 25 fours are 100. So we have 1 over 4, and it is powered by x minus 1, that is equal to 32. So 1 over 4 we can write it as 1 over 2 and square, and this value we can write it as 2 powered by negative 2. So in place of 1 over 4 we can write as 2 and powered by negative 2, and it is having power x minus 1, that is equal to 32. So now we have a powered by m and whole powered by n. So here the value of it will be a powered by mn. We multiply the powers. Likewise here we will multiply this power also. So the base will be 2, and it is negative 2 and x is negative 2x, and here negative and negative positive 2 and 1 2, that is equal to 32. So we can write 32 as 32 is 2 multiplied by 2 and 2. So it is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, and one more time 2. So here we have 5 2s. So we can write it as 2 powered by 5. Now here the base is same, 2 and 2. So we'll equate the powers. So we'll write it as negative 2x plus 2, and in the right hand side we have 5. So we'll write 5. Now negative 2x is equal to 5 minus 2 is 3. So the value of x will be, we'll divide both sides by negative 2, it will be negative 3 by 2. So here we have calculated the value of x is equal to negative 3 by 2. Now we'll check this expression. We'll check it and confirm whether this value is satisfying this expression or not. For that we'll erase this, and the expression is 0.25 and powered by x minus 1, that is equal to 32. So here this value we can write it as 1 over 4, and it is powered by x. We'll write minus 3 divided by 2 minus 1, that is equal to 32. So this value 1 over 4 we can write 2 powered by negative 2, and if we'll solve this term value will be negative 5 divided by 2, and that is equal to 32. So here 2 and 2 gets cancels, and negative positive. So 2 powered by 5, that is equal to 32, and the value of 2 powered by 5 is 32 only, and that is equal to 32. So the value of x is equal to negative 3 by 2 is satisfying this expression. So we can say that the value of negative 3 by 2 is our answer. So friend, if you like the video, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching the video.